Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain what to do if your touchscreen isn't working on your HP ENVY X360. To fix it, I'm gonna go to the search bar and search for Device Manager. Now, let's go to the Human Interface Devices and find Human HID compliant touchscreen. Click on that, actually right click on that, and if there is a button to enable it, then you may need to enable it. Also, if it's not disabled, so there is a button to disable, not to enable, then you may want to disable and enable it again. So I'm gonna disable it, then it'll refresh, and now I'm gonna find it again and enable it. Now see if it works. If it still doesn't work, then right click on it and click on update driver. Now click on search automatically for drivers, and I have the best drivers, so I don't need to do anything, and it should be working, as you can see. If it still doesn't work for some reason, go to the settings on your laptop and now go to Windows Update and download and install all updates. Then it may fix everything. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.